Hello, this video is about checking reliability. What is reliability? Actually, this particular measure is used to check whether the construct that we are using in research is trustworthy or not. Generally, construct or questionnaires are used to measure different qualitative terms or different characteristics. So whether the construct is measuring those characteristics, whether the construct can be used again and again to check the same characteristic of individual or group of people. So for doing that, we check reliability. If we define reliability, then it is like trustworthiness or consistency of the measure. To be a good measure, the construct or the questionnaire should be reliable. And what does that means? Being reliable means the construct is trustworthy. It is consistent in nature. The measure has consistency. That means if the particular measure will be used again and again, then it will give same outcomes. Similar results will be given over time and across situation. Like if I used the construct 2 years back, it will be understood in the same manner if I'll use it today. It is the degree to which a measurement technique can be depended upon to secure consistent result upon repeated application. If the measure will not be consistent, it will not give the same or consistent or similar results if it is used again or after some time or on different population. If it is giving same results, same does not mean exact same as it had given earlier, but similar, it means similar, or consistent means the construct is understood in a similar fashion. How this reliability is checked, I'll simply tell you how this reliability, especially Cronbeck alpha reliability, because reliability can be checked by various methods. It can be done by split half method, it can be done by Gutman method and test retest reliability, etc. Various type of reliability measures are there, but today we will be checking reliability with the help of SPSS and Cronbeck alpha reliability. Okay, so this is what sheet of SPSS in which I have pasted data from Excel sheet. I just copied the data from Excel sheet and with the help of Control V command, or what you can do, just right click and paste data over here. Make sure that whenever you are pasting data, the window should be data view. It should not be variable view. If you will try to copy data on variable view, it will show error. So copy data on data view. Once you have copied this particular data, now it is time to run test. As I told you that I will be telling you first how to apply or how to conduct reliability analysis in this. So where we will go? We will go on analysis. This particular thing, with the help of this analyze, we will check reliability. In this analysis, the scale. After checking scale, the first option that is there in the menu is reliability analysis. We will click on this reliability analysis. I am going to check reliability of first variable, and in first variable I am having these 10 questions. I'll select all these 10 questions either with shift and downward arrow keys, or what you can do, you can click one variable at a time and shift it to right side window. Okay. To copy all the variables, all the questions, sorry, not variable, all the question, you can press shift key and downward arrow key. It will select all the questions, all the items that you want to select, and just click on this arrow key and transfer all the data that you are willing to use for analysis on the right window. And after that, we'll go to statistics. In this, in descriptives, I'll check item, scale if item deleted, and enter item correlation. Only these three at this particular moment I am going to check and then continue. There are various methods to check reliability like alpha, split half, Gutman, parallel, strict parallel. Most commonly used method is alpha, that is Cronbach-Alva. So I am keeping that as it is, I am not changing that, and then OK. This another window will appear and this window will show you the reliability values. Here we can see the reliability value is 0.625. Then number of items we checked and the reliability value is 0.625. Though the value is less than the accepted value, the in general thumb rule says that reliability value should be more than 0.7. So there are ways we can improve this reliability value, and how? We will go to this particular window, item to total statistics. In this we can check the last column. Here it is mentioned Cronbach-Alva if item deleted. Our reliability value was 0.625. Here we will check whether this value can be increased or not by deleting any item. This shows, like if we will delete this particular variable 1, that is question 1, then the value will be 0.586. It is less than our already existing value, that is 0.625. Next it is saying 0.604, 0.598, and like this it is not going to increase. So it will not do anything. But how we can improve this reliability value? We can increase the data. Once we will increase the data, it may increase the reliability analysis. I am going to give you another test, reliability test of second variable. Now I will shift all these variables, either the same shift and downward arrow keys, or if you want to select all at a time, Control A, send it back to left side window, and now I am going to check this reliability for next variable. Same with shift and downward arrow key, I am going to select all the variables, all the items of questionnaire. I will shift it to right window, then again statistics, all these items are already checked. I will just do continue and then OK. Now the value is 0.661. Again let us check, can we increase? It is, again we are having maximum value 0.661. Even if we will delete any of the item, the value is not going to increase. So let me just show you what if we want to delete particular item. I am not doing anything else, but I am just randomly checking few and sending it to, just to show you how this item, how this reliability value can be increased by deleting few items. Here it is 0.534, and again I don't know what is happening. Every time the value that we are getting is highest value. So just check the reliability value, and if this particular window is showing any higher value, this particular column is showing any higher value, remove that particular item for calculation. To remove, you have nothing to do, just select that item, send it back to left side window, and then you can click OK. And with that you can improve the reliability value. So this is how you will calculate reliability value. Next, factor analysis and regression analysis I will tell you in next video. Thank you.